Hi, I'm Sachikera. Today we will solve exercise 21-21. This is a continuation of exercise 21-20. So I will request you to first go and view the video for exercise 21-20. Please pause the video to read the question and then continue with the video to follow along with the solution. For this particular exercise, it's the same company, Valencia Orange, that we worked with in exercise 21-20. Information again is pretty much the standard information that we saw in the previous exercise. For this particular exercise, we are required to calculate operating income for Division A using 105% of the total manufacturing cost as the transfer price, and we are supposed to calculate the operating income for Division B using again the same 105% of total manufacturing cost as the transfer price. There are two other questions in this particular exercise, and I would request you to go and look at the answers in the slides that are provided for this particular chapter. So let's get started. The top table summarizes the information that is already provided to us. Division A has variable costs of $100,000 and fixed costs of $230,000 for total manufacturing costs of $330,000, while Division B has variable costs of $90,000, fixed cost of $150,000, and total manufacturing costs of $240,000. For the first question, to calculate the operating income for Division A, we first need to figure out the revenues for Division A. The revenues are based on 105% markup of the total manufacturing cost for Division A, which is 105% times $330,000. Hence, Division A's revenues are $346,500. When we subtract the variable costs of $100,000 and fixed costs of $230,000 for Division A, we arrive at Division A's operating income of $16,500. The second question requires us to calculate the operating income for Division B. So starting with revenues for Division B, we know that Division B has a selling price of $7 per bottle. So we apply that market price of $7 times the 300,000 units that got transferred in from Division A, results in a revenue of $2.1 million for Division B. Now there are three cost categories that we need to consider for Division B. First is the transferred in costs. These are the costs that got transferred in from Division A, which amounts to $346,500. Remember, this is the revenue for Division A, which becomes the transferred in costs for Division B. The second cost for Division B is the variable cost of $90,000, and finally, the third cost category for Division B is $150,000 of fixed costs. When we subtract all of these three costs from the revenues of $2.1 million for Division B, we arrive at an operating income of $1.513,500 for Division B.